Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can order food on Bloxburg. So, sorry my outfit doesn't match, and I still have this decor out because I have not changed it at all. Anyways, you're going to go to build mode, and you're going to select decorate, and you're going to basically find like a phone. If you're confused where it is, just go to all and then find phone, telephone, whatever, and put it in your house. I have one right here. This one's pretty cute. I don't know if it's gonna dial, but I feel like I'm gonna put one, like, I don't know, in the kitchen maybe. Oh, my kitchen's looking a little rough. Anyways, well, just place it wherever you'd like. Maybe I'm gonna put one up there. But let me just rotate this and like remove some items, I guess. Can I? Oh. I'm gonna place these in the inventory real quick. And I am just going to place it up here. Let me just place it like here, I guess. I'll put more decor later. I'm just gonna make it pink because I have to make everything pink in my house. Alright. Again, sorry this doesn't match. Also, look, it's floating. My friend just taught me that hack. Anyways, interact, order food. You can either order pizza or Bloxburger. So I'm just going to order pizza here. Hello, can I order some pizza, please? Thank you. All right. What was that? I don't even know. Anyways, I'm just going to wait for the delivery guy to go to my house. It does take a few minutes, so just be patient. They will get your order soon. Also, it's an NPC, I think, that delivers it, so I'm gonna just wait. Why is it taking so long right now? Well, that is it. Unless you want to wait for another minute for the delivery guy to actually arrive. He will arrive though, so don't you worry about that. I'm just gonna explore a little bit, and I don't know. Well, the delivery guy should be like here. I'm gonna just like zoom out and see if anybody's like coming where I am. Here it is. Oh, hello, ma'am. Okay, take. And then you can just eat it. Oh, well, I guess I need to put it on a counter first, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.